Exercise 3G, system of non-homogeneous linear equations. So first, what is non-homogeneous linear equations? So once we will see. So let a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, c1 equal to c1z equal to 1, adx plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. So these are the system of non-homogeneous linear equations. Okay, first in 10th class you learned about system of pair of linear equations in two variables. In 9th class, linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is pair of linear equations? If two equations are given, then it is called pair of linear equations. What is a pair of linear equations? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is in two variables. So here this is the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to 1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to 2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. So here variables are 3, equations are 3. So if it is only one equation, single equation, two equations, pair equations, 3 or more equations, then all together are called a system of equations. So the maximum power is 1, so that's why it is linear equation. Power of x, y, z is equal to 1. So these are linear equations. And non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous means here d1, d2, d3 constant. All the powers are not equal. The degree of this term is 1, this term 1, this term 1. Since it is constant, the degree is equal to 0. If all the terms containing equal degree, then it is called homogeneous. But here it is not equal, so it is non-homogeneous. If instead of d1, if it is equal to 0, then the system is called homogeneous system. Okay, now these three equations are called non-homogeneous system of equations. I want to write this one in the form of matrices. So coefficients a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3, x, y, z equal to d1, d2, d3. If we read first row with this column a1 into x, a1x, b1y, c1z equal to 1. Second row a2x, b2y, c2z equal to 2. a3x, b3y, c3z equal to d3. So let's a equal to a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3, x equal to x, y, z, b equal to d1, d2, d3. So here a is called coefficient matrix, x is called variable matrix, b is called constant matrix. So this system, the above system, is in the form of ax equal to b. The system of equations is in the form of ax equal to b. So ax equal to b. Next, the system of equations is in the form of ax equal to b. A is a coefficient matrix, x is a variable matrix, and b is the constant matrix. Now I want to take a b. So a b is nothing but this a b is called augmented matrix. First I want to write a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c2. a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. So first, consistency and inconsistency. What is consistency? Consistency and inconsistency. A system of equations having solution is called consistent if it doesn't contain solution, then it is inconsistent. The system of equations having solution, if the system containing solution, then it is consistent. If it doesn't containing any solution, it is inconsistent. So it is already in the 10th class. What is consistency? What is inconsistency? For pair of equations, if we are taking it, a1x plus b1y plus c1z c1 equal to 0, adx plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So these two are the pair of equations. So when it contains a unique solution, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 is infinite solution. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, no solution. It is nothing but so a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, intersecting lines. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, coincident lines. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, parallel lines. So you know about this one in 10th class. So here what is required I will tell you. So when it is unique solution, when it is infinite solution, when it is no solution. So before that, if it contains unique solution or infinite solution, then automatically it is consistent. Solution consistent, unique or infinite, so definitely it is consistent. No solution, inconsistent. Okay, so here if we are taking this augmented matrix here it is this one d1 d2 d3. So a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3 along with constant column matrix a1 b1 c1 d1, a2 b2 c2 d2, a3 b3 c3 d3. This is called augmented matrix. So I am taking a1 b1 c1 up to this one a together ab, this one a ab. So solution of system of non-homogeneous system of equations, linear equations. Solution of system of non-homogeneous linear equations. So first one, rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 3. If rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 3, then it contains unique solution. Second, rank A equal to rank AB less than 3, then it contains infinitely many solutions. Third, rank A not equal to rank AB, then it is inconsistent and no solution. First two situations it is consistent. If rank A rank AB equal to 3, rank A equal to 3 and rank AB equal to 3, then it is consistent and unique solution. If rank A equal to rank AB equal to less than 3, so it may be 2 or 1, then it is infinitely solution. It contains infinitely many solutions. If rank A not equal to rank AB, then it contains no solution, it is inconsistent. How we will, these are applicable, how I will explain these three properties with suitable problems. Okay, so coming to the problems, exercise 3G. So if we are taking exercise 3G, first question, x plus y plus z equal to 4, 2x plus 5y, 2x plus 5y minus 2z equal to 3, x plus 7y minus 7z equal to 5. X plus y plus z equal to 4, 2x plus 5y minus 2z equal to 3, x plus 7y minus 7z equal to 5. So these are the three equations. I want to find out the solution. So first, a equal to coefficients 1, 1, 1, 2, 5 minus 2, 1, 7 minus 8. X equal to x, y, z. B equal to 4, 3, 5. AB, rank of AB, 1, 1, 1, 2, 5 minus 2, 1, 7 minus 7, 4, 3, 5. So if we observe up to this one A, first of the all together AB. Up to this one A, this is AB. So for this I want to convert upper triangular matrix by what is the diagonal 1, 5 minus 7, 2, 1, 7. I want to convert these three elements as 0. So 2 and 1. 2 is in R2, 3, 1 is in R3. 2. R2 changes to R3, right? We are changing R3 compulsory with the help of R1. Since it is 2, this is 1, 2, 1, balance 2. So same sign, keeping minus in middle. 1, 1. So equal, keeping minus in middle. So next, first row unchanged, 1, 1, 1, 4. Next, 2 minus 2, 0. These two elements are 0. That's why we are writing operation. 2 minus 2, 0. Next, 5. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Next, this is minus 2. So this is minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2, minus 4. Next, this is 3. Minus 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 3 minus 8, minus 5. Next, third row. 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 1, 6. Minus 7, minus 1, minus 8. 5 minus 4, 1. Next, next, this is 6, this is 3. We need to convert this 6 as 0. R3 changes to. So this is 3. First, why we are changing R3 compulsory with the help of this 3. So R2. So 6, 3. So balance I want to write 2. Same sign, keeping minus in middle. 1, 1, 1, 4, 0, 3, minus 4, minus 5, 0, 0, 0. So 6, minus 2 into 3, minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. This is minus 8. Minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8. Minus 8 plus 8, 0. This is 1. Minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10. 1 plus 10, 11. So actually we need to convert this one is equal to 0, but automatically this is also equal to 0. First, I want to write rank A. So up to this one AB, up to this one A, up to this one A. So rank A, if we observe rank A, non-zero row 1, second, this is 0 row, this is 0 row. So if it is 0 row, rank A equal to 2. Next, rank AB. rank A is nothing but up to this one. So this is non-zero row, this is non-zero row. If we observe, this is also non-zero row. If it is equal to 0, then it is 0. But it is not equal to 0, so this is non-zero row. So rank A equal to 3. Rank A equal to 2, rank A B equal to 3. Therefore, rank A not equal to rank AB. Therefore, so rank A rank AB not equal, then it is inconsistent. Given system is inconsistent. So it has no solution. So if it is having solution, we need to complete the solution. But if it doesn't contain any solution, so problem is completed here only. Okay, next question number 2. The second question is x plus y plus z equal to 6. X minus y plus z equal to 2. 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 9. So we need to find out the solution. So this problem belong to, we don't know which case. So up to this one we do, then we will get an idea. So first A equal to quotients 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 3. X equal to x y z. B equal to 6 to 9. 6 to 9. So now first augmented matrix A B 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 3. So this is A. Up to this one A. B 6 to 9. So this is augmented matrix A B. So in this I want to convert up to this one A together A. So up to this one A. In this A, what are the diagonals? 1 minus 1 3. Below the diagonals 1 2 minus 1. We need to convert these three positions should be 0. 1 2 R2 R3 R2 R3. So this is R2, this is R3 with the help of R. So this is 1, this is 1. 1 minus 1 0. 2 1 2 minus 1 1 1 6. Next 1 minus 1 0. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 6 minus 4. Next this is 2 minus 2 0. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 2 minus 2 0. This is minus 1. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Next this is 3. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 3 minus 2 1. 3 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 3 minus 2 1. Next 9. Minus 2 into 6 minus 12. 9 minus 12 minus 3. Okay, next we need to convert this element is equal to 0. R3 changes to R3 R2. So this is 3, this is 2. Number 3 2. This 3 writing here, this 2 writing here. Same sign, keep minus in middle. So we are converting this one only 0. 1 1 1 6. 0 minus 2 0 minus 2. 0 0 0. So we are converting this is equal to 0. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6. 0. Now 2 into 1 2. Minus 3 into 0 0. 2 minus 0 2. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. 12 minus 6 6. So now up to this one A, this is A. Rank A equal to how many non-zero rows? 1 2 3. Rank AB 1 2 3 3. So rank A equal to rank AB equal to 3. Then system is consistent it has unique solution. So it belongs to case 1. Rank A will equal to 3. Then it contains unique solution. Okay. Now I want to find out the solution. X plus y plus z equal to 6. This is the x position, y position, z position. X is 1 into x, 1 into y, 1 into z, x plus y plus z equal to 6. Next 0x minus 2y, 0z equal to minus 4. Next 0x, 0y, 2z equal to 6. So 2z equal to 6, z equal to 3. Actually, if it is in yz, we need to substitute z value. But here this is directly y equation y equal to minus 4 by minus 2. So put y equal to 2, z equal to 3 in first equation 1. X plus y plus z equal to 6. X plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. X plus y equal to 6 implies x equal to 1. X equal to 1, y equal to z equal to 3. So this is the only solution, unique solution. If so, whether whatever the problem we done, whether it is correct or wrong, by checking, substituting in this equation. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 3, 2. So this solution must satisfy all the equations. So you must remember. Next, we will do third question. Third one we will do. The third one is x plus y plus z equal to 1. 2x plus y plus z equal to x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 1. So this equation we will solve. So we will check which condition it is satisfied. Okay. So first a equal to quotients 1 1 1 2 1 2 2 1 1. Z quotient 1 1 2 2. X equal to x y z. B equal to 1 2 1. Now A B augmented matrix A B. First A 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 1. Okay, this is A B. Now I want to write the operations. So up to this one A, this is A B. Altogether A B. So these two and 1 I want to change. R2 changes to R2, R3 changes to R3 compulsory with the help of R1. Since it is 2, this is 1. Balance 2. Same sign minus. 1, 1. Same equal, same sign minus. So implies first row all ones 1, 1, 1, 1. Second row, this is 2 minus 2, 0. Big. Already these two should be 0 because that's why we write the operation. 1 minus 2 into 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1. 1 minus 2 into 1, minus 2, 1 minus 2, minus 1. 2 minus 2 into 1, minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0. Next, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now we have observed this element should be equal to 0. So this is it. R3 corresponding position minus 1 R2. So numbers are equal 1 1 balanced. So opposite side we should keep plus 1 1 1 1. So 0 minus 1 minus 1 0. 0 plus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. 0 plus 0 0. This is matrix A. This is A. The rank of A, non-zero row, this is 0. So number of non-zero rows 1 2. Rank A equal to rank AB 1 2. This is 0 row, no need to count. 1 2. So rank AB equal to, so rank A equal to rank AB equal to 2. So here if we are observing rank A equal to rank AB less than 3, then it contains infinitely many solutions. Okay, so this is less than 3, so it contains infinitely many solutions. So therefore the system is consistent and it contains infinite solutions. Okay, so now coming to the problem. This is x coefficient x plus y plus z equal to 1. 0x minus y minus z equal to 0. This is entirely 0, no need to write. So infinite solution, let z equal to k. Minus y minus k equal to 0 implies minus y equal to plus k, y equal to minus k. So z value, y value is x plus y plus z equal to 1. X, y value minus k, z value k equal to 1. So k cancel, x equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1, y equal to minus k, z equal to plus k. So k belongs to, this is the infinite solution. So whatever the value you may take for k, you will get a solution. If you take k value 1, so x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1. If you take k equal to 2, x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2, z equal to 2. So whatever the value you may take for k, but x value is always 1. How many solutions does exist? How many values you may take for k? Infinitely many. So does exist infinitely many solutions.